Welcome back to Finance Made Easy. Today we're learning a very important topic, life membership fee.
I always get confused. Is it like subscription?
It sounds similar, but it works very differently. In a normal subscription, members pay every year. But in life membership fee, the member pays only once, for many years, sometimes for their whole life.
It's a one payment, but a long-term benefit to the club.
Exactly.
If the club receives $20,000 as life membership fee this year, is that income for this year?
Most students say yes, but that's actually wrong. We cannot treat it as income for 1 year because the member is not paying for 1 year. They are paying for many years. Life membership fee is treated as a capital receipt, money that helps the club for the long term.
Capital receipt means?
It means it does not go to the income and expenditure account. Instead, it goes to the balance sheet, usually under Life Membership Fund. Some clubs divide the fee over a few years, but in most of the exam questions, it is shown fully in the balance sheet.
Good to know. So life membership fee is one-time money for many years, so it becomes capital.
Perfect. And that's it. That's another bite-sized lesson from Finance Made Easy. Stay tuned for the next one.